Good morning and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. I'm in Australia in Queensland and I'm coming to you with an acrylic fluid art pour using up some paints that I have on this lovely, I think it's a 40.6 centimetre canvas, and I love these round canvases. I love working with them and I love the finished product. So I've got a plan in mind for this. And yeah, it's coming up to Christmassy, so it will look a little bit Christmassy, but it'll also look stunning, I believe. So the first thing I'm doing, as you see, was coating my canvas mostly with the paint. I did leave that at the top because I have a plan for that area. So you're thinking, I'm sure, what on heck is she going to do with these colours? But bear with me, because this really does turn out to be a stunning piece. So the base layer was just a lilac, which was basically purple mixed with a bit of white mixed with a bit of purple that made my lilac, and with my pour medium. And as I say, if you're a beginner or if you need refreshing, if you look in the description box underneath my videos, there is all of the tools you'll need. There's more links to videos showing you how to mix paint. There's a link to an Amazon store showing you where to buy products. So it's all there. I don't keep any secrets. I tell everybody exactly what I do. So I'm giving this a coat, and it hasn't got anything that makes cells or anything in the paint. It was just my pouring medium, which is 70% PVA glue and 30% water, added to your paint gradually till you get consistency. But as you see, it still gets, this particular one was sort of getting like, certainly getting some action in the paint, some cell action. So that was going to be my base, and now for my really fabulous embellishment. So I'll go in ahead and I'm starting to puddle my paints.
Yes, I'm on my way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm on my way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm on my way. Yeah, yeah. I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way.
So that puddle that I've done is like a real deep navy black, by champagne gold, and a cream, sort of a creamy colour, and then the navy black on top again. So saying navy black, with my black I love to add a good amount of phthalo blue. It kind of gives you the blackest black and a blue black, and I just love it. So as you can see, this is coming out already absolutely gorgeous, just using my little babyliss mini blower to blow out the paint. It is just on low, so just take your time to try and get the composition that you're happy with. And I was super happy with this, but of course I will further embellish it with my balloon, as you do. I'm giving it a whiz over with the heat wand because I find that bursts any air bubbles, plus it also helps the paint absorb into the canvas. So it's a very simple process. And now I'm getting my balloon, funny egg-shaped balloon, and I'm giving it some final details in the centre of my floral look. So yeah, if it doesn't come out how you really like the first time, then yeah, clean your balloon off and balloon kiss it again until you're happy with it. So I just love this piece. I think it's Christmassy, but it can also be hung for any time of year. It doesn't have to be just for Christmas, because a lot of people love reds in their home decor. So this piece really brought joy to me creating it, and I'm absolutely sure it will bring just as much joy when I'm gifting it. So I'm going to go through, as you see, just giving tiny little balloon kisses in the red area. It kind of makes it look like snowflakes in there. Excuse me. So it's just making it sparkle like little stars in a red sky. I just love it, and just love the effect and how pleasurable this actual whole process is to do.
I'm on my way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm on my way.
Absolutely fabulous. I'll bring you down for a closer look. Let's have a little look-see. Wow, wow, wow. A Christmas bloom with my snowdrops. That's fabulous on that large round. Not sure what the size of the round is. I think it's 40 centimetres. I'll just double check it, but super happy with that. Super happy with that. Look at that. Kind of definitely like snowdrops cells in there, and then I just think that's gorgeous. I will actually wait till that dries, and I will just either continue and paint my edges in that red, or I might even do the edges, the edge of the canvas in black. But that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Would you like to receive that for Christmas? Is that a good gift for me to gift? Well, my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I'd just like to remind you, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please don't suffer in silence. Ring a family member or a friend, and if that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. Until next time, bye for now.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter?